Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Good morning. How are you all students? I hope you all are fine. First, I would like to start by introducing myself. My name is Aisha Riaz and I am your computer teacher. So welcome to the new session. This is your first online class of this new session. So I would love to pay my humble compliment to you all students. So in today's class we are going to learn about the basic explanation of computer. In basic explanation we are going to learn about the definition of computer, process of data, how computer process data, input, process and output. And then we will learn about the evolution of computer, how computer evolved year by year. This all we will discuss in today's class. Okay, so first we discuss the definition of computer. The word computer is derived from the word compute. It means to calculate. Computer is an electronic machine which can be performed to perform high-speed mathematical or logical operations. Computer accepts, stores, manipulate and process information in binary format and display the result in human understandable language. So then we will discuss the process of data, how computer process our data. So computer receive input in the form of raw data. Data may be numbers and alphabet. It processes data by changing it into an understandable form. The computer then presents information to end user. This information is called output. Let's suppose I want to add two numbers. So we need to give two input numbers to a computer. Okay, so let's suppose I give two numbers, 2 plus 2 with the addition signs. This show I want to add these two numbers. Okay, input दे दिया. Then process, in a process it will add these two numbers. Process पूरा हो गया perform. एडिशन साइन है, दोनों में एडिशन परफॉर्म होने के बाद then it will display us output which is 4 and output will display in a output screen which is monitor screen. So computer process this form of data. मीन्स कि हमने इनपुट दिया, इनपुट होने के बाद जो भी हमने इनपुट में इंस्ट्रक्शंस जो भी हमने दिए वो यहाँ प्रोसेस में प्रोसेस होगा, वो रीड करेंगे इंस्ट्रक्शन, देन इट विल डिस्प्ले अस आउटपुट. So next topic is evolution of computer. Evolution is defined as the process of growth and development or the theory that organisms have grown and developed from past. An example of evolution, how computers, cell phones have changed over time. So abacus invented in 3000 BC and this is the picture of abacus. Abacus was first calculating device. Abacus was early aid for mathematical computations. It only it aids the memory of the human performing the calculations. Abacus, a wooden rig holding two horizontal wires with beading beads are moved around according to the programming rules that are memorized by the user. All regular arithmetic problems can be done. It can be performed addition and subtraction. And next is Napier bones invented in 1617 and this is the picture of Napier's bone. So John Napier invented a system called Napier's bone. It consists a system of a set of rods with numbers written on them. It could be used for multiply and divide. In abacus we can perform addition and subtraction, and in Napier bone we can perform a multiplication and division of numbers. Then another is Pascaline. And this is the picture of Pascaline. Pascaline is invented in 1642. In 1642, Blaise Pascal developed the first mechanical calculator program, calculator called Pascaline. A set of beads or rods like these wheels. It was operated by wheels and could add and subtract numbers every move, setting the foundation not only for more complex calculations but only for greater speed automation and accuracy. With the help of these wheels, we perform addition and subtraction in a Pascal line. The next is Gottfried Leibniz. This is the picture of Gottfried Leibniz, and this is invented in 1694. Gottfried Leibniz invented the Leibniz calculator in 1694. It used wheels to add and subtract and also multiply division numbers. This was the awaited breakthrough, a step ahead of addition and subtraction towards advanced calculator. In this, we can perform addition and subtraction, and in a Leibniz calculator, we can perform all calculations, means के addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, all calculations we can perform. So next is punch card. This is the picture of punch card. You can see a pinholes are there, and punch card was invented in 1801. Punch card is a strip card with holes punch. 8 punch cards were developed by Joseph Jacquard in 1801 to control a weaving, were used to program or give instruction to computers. Punch card technology was used in supermarket for automatic data entry in the form of Kimball's tag until barcode completely took over. Now in supermarket, barcode reader, barcode scanners are used in a place of punch card. So next is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage, we know this name. Charles Babbage is a father of modern computer. Charles Babbage invented two types of engines. Analytical engines, this is the picture of analytical engine. An analytical engine invented in 1838, and another one is difference engine. This is the picture of difference engine, and this is invented in 1821. So Charles Babbage is called as the father of modern computer, digital computer. In the 19th century, he designed two mechanical engines. The analytical engine could be programmed. Users only had to give instruction to the machine the first time they perform calculation. So, and in a difference engine, okay, so in this, Charles Babbage used punch cards to give instruction to the analytical engine. He used a sequence and arrangement of holes, this type of holes in this machine, two holes on a code of instructions. Lady Ada Lovelace wrote these instructions, which is in this machine analytical engine, and she is called the first programmer. This machine can perform both calculation work and programming work. So now let's come to a tabulating machine. This is the picture of tabulating machine, and this is invented in 1890. In 1890, Herman Hollerith developed a tabulating machine. He used punch card to give instruction to it and to store data. The tabulating machine was used to sort, and count was used to census data. This introduced the concept of storage devices into the evolution of computers. In this machine, we can store our calculation work, which calculation we perform. Means if we add two numbers, if we subtract, multiply or divide, which type of calculation we perform, we can store this calculation in this machine. So these all are the evolution of computer. Now in this era, in this year, we are using the supercomputer as a desktop computer in our home, in our offices and everywhere. So I hope you all understand this. If you have any questions, you can ask this question in a Google Classroom, okay, where I upload my video. So for this class, this is the topic, basic explanation. We discuss all the things. So we will meet in the next class, inshallah. For this, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.